Okay, so I don't want to go through a bunch of videos and figure out which one has what, so I'm just going to start over. So, first thing on the list. Oh, I guess that means I have to re-explain while this loads. I have a friend who offered to make all the art for the game for me. So all these buttons are made by them, but I forgot to ask them for all the sprites. So some of them, like this one, are made by me, and they're shitty and they're ass. Okay. So,
I think it's time for a tea.
tank still moves and shoots from milestone 1. Next up, power up. See that? I just picked up a power up and now I move faster. And then there's you saw the AIs around.
Sweet. I guess so.
Now you can see.
Take a bye, sleep. Yeah, I know.
Okay. So, start screen exists with start game options and quit game buttons. So you saw the quit game button there. You also saw the start game button there. Now, this is like my welcome screen, right? Then we have the main menu screen. And the main menu has options here. And this is the credits. My friend, they didn't want to be credited, so they said to credit them as this image. Alright, next up. Game Manager is a finite state machine. My finite state machine has these states. It has title screen, main menu, options, game, and game over. I didn't need init game because I coded it well. I coded it better. So let's show me moving the code. I'm over yapping. I gotta speed up because last time I ran out of time and I had to speed the video up. So the start function now like barely has anything. You know what I mean? Because instead run map generation has all the map generation, which is called on game states game.start, sorry. So player next up, FSM is needed. Players, AIs, pickups, level pieces are instantiated. So everything is instantiated. You can see here the only instances that exist are my game manager, the old room down there in the corner, just an empty level object, a kind of dummy object my things use to spawn audio sources that like persist after death, the debug boy for debug scripts, music manager for managing music, menu canvas, HUD canvas, and event system. Those don't need explaining. So we have the main menu has start, multiplayer, credits, and options. Since start and multiplayer are on this menu now, I don't need to have a multiplayer checkbox here. But you still know I know how to use the checkboxes, okay? Because I have them here, and I have the link checkboxes, alright? So that's how you know I know how to use the checkboxes, okay? Next up. Options screen, it has the sliders, so you can see here. Step back to the base volume. That's the master volume. This is just the sound volume. That'll be for the music volume. Alright, and that'll set the volume of the music. You hear the volume go off, and you hear the volume come on. So, how the game music works is that
got ketchup mixed with lettuce, cheese, plus every time I wake up in the
while you
morning,
have
I
the
got burgers
game
on my
options screen
mind.
open,
Ketchup, mustard, mayo, fries, man, it's the number 9.
game,
And all
it
these
checks if the
yummy
game status
burgers
options,
tasty,
if
trying
it
to
is,
catch me off
then
my
it will run
grind.
interpret volume
But I can't
on
let
all the
them do
different,
it. I got
volume
burgers
things.
on my mind,
It
bitch. I
checks
got
the slider
burgers on
values.
my mind. I
Interpret
got
volume does
burgers
that
on
all
my
kinds of things
mind.
talked
I
about.
got
Think,
burgers on my
simple stuff.
mind.
Alright, and you can see here you can enter numbers, not letters. That error was because I tried to use a debug feature and that without guys existing. That wasn't the thing. Next up. Okay. Going pretty good. Now, I'm going to go through the list of all of the sounds in the game. So, this is the sound that plays when a tank shoots. And these sounds, the Windows audio player is going to cut them off. So just
As he fires said a DACU.
so that's the shoot sound. Next up is the
Good Friday, my fucking ass.
that's the sound when a tank gets hit by a bullet.
Good Friday, my fucking ass.
Very Good Friday. This is the sound when you pick up an item off the ground, or when you pick up like a power up. You know, because you got the box. And this is the sound effect for when the
Placing
tank
water in a
dies.
cauldron is really loud.
T61, placing water in a cauldron is really loud. Okay. Next up, we're going to go through all the things that require enemies to be in the level,
I think it's
and
time
then
for
turn
a
the enemies
tea
off.
break.
So
Milk
those
and
are going to
Sammy's
be World Space Canvas, which you can see right there, and Score for killing tanks. Get these damage ups.
There, thinking about every night. Oh, isn't that sweet?
I guess
50
so.
health.
Goodbye, sleep.
Alright,
Placing water in a cauldron.
turn these guys off. So next up, I'm gonna go and look for an add score power up, and while I do that, I'm gonna walk you through my AI, or walk you through my UI.
I think it's time for a tea
So
break. Milk and Zemnis
top left, that's the health bar with health on it.
Good Friday,
You
my
can see it
fucking
goes
ass.
down when I take damage. You can see score with a number representing how
There,
much score I
thinking
have.
about
Let's turn that music down. See, I'll take a little bit more damage.
Good Friday, my fucking ass.
Good Friday, my fucking ass, bro. You got it. And down there, that's my life counter. So this is a little score power up, and when I touch it, I'm gonna get 50 points. And now, when I die, I'm gonna
Good Friday,
lose a
my
life
fucking-
on the
Good
bottom.
Friday, my
These orbs
fucking-
damage
good-
you.
Q61. Placing water in a cauldron
Yeah.
is really loud.
You see, I keep my score through lives, but if I were to lose all of my lives,
Placing water in a cauldron.
you can see my total score here, my high score. I reset, my score goes back down to 0. Okay, I'm just going to re-record everything for the 2-player demo, because I did pretty badly on that. So, 2-player mode.
I think it's time for a tea
So,
break.
right now,
Milk
the
and
red
Zemnis
player is on the
progressive.
left because they are further to the left on the map than the purple player. And if we were to find each other, now the
there,
purple player
thinking
is
about
further on this
every
side.
night. Oh, isn't that sweet?
I guess so. To world creation. My heart just wants
Obliteration.
too many keyblade
Okay, okay. Now we're both in the same room.
Stop sleep.
Let me turn off the music. We are both in the same room. So now we share a camera, and whoever is the furthest on this side is going to have their UI on that side. And now if I walk off this side of the screen, my UI is going to come with me. As you can see there. Alright, now I'm going to die.
Q61. Placing water in a
This
cauldron
happened. This
is
was my
really
spawn
loud.
room, so I'm just coming in here.
Placing water in a cauldron.
Alright,
Water in
and
a
now
cauldron.
instead, I still have player 2's controls, because it wouldn't make sense for you to swap controls, but
Q61.
now I'm
Placing
in
water in
over
a
here,
cauldron is water in a
and if I
cauldron.
die,
Placing water in a cauldron.
I can even swap to single player in the same,
Q61. Q61.
without even
Placing
restarting the
water
game,
in a
it's
cauldron.
still and yeah. Let me read. You could see that when one of the here. When one of the players dies, it goes to single player.